up, y'all? Clean Cuts the One back with another video. Out here driving crazy, riding with my dude Matt. Don't follow this guy. Actually, do follow him on Instagram.
Definitely do that.
Yeah, as you can see, it's raining. We're out here, it's 8:30. We're about 2.5 hours into a trip to Warner Robins, Georgia, on our way to Olde World Barbershop. I told you guys we had a lot of stuff going on. Matt just completed the Clean Cut Grooming Lounge family as far as this location goes. And so now we're headed to see Steven Putman at Olde World Barbershop, talk to him about some stuff, do some more videos, film some stuff. This might be a long video, but this is definitely a chapter in the journey worth watching. It's the same student barber from 2 years ago, the same dude that did his first haircut video, the same dude that learned how to hold a pair of clippers in a comment section, continuing to drive, to go places, to spend our own money, to invest in ourselves so that way we can achieve what we want to in this industry. This is just the beginning, so continue to check it out. Let's go.
Hey. After Christmas about
still going, we're doing no work. No, not gang. This is Clean Cuts the One. We don't gang. I apologize. I apologize, ladies and gentlemen. We don't gang. So we just finished the Tune 45 promo video with Jason Patridge. It's not Partridge. You can follow him at the Jason Patridge. Yeah, they did a little bit of work. Hey, let's show them the cut. Check it out. Let me see the cut. Let me see the cut.
Boom.
Show them the texture.
Boom.
Hey, what happened? Dang.
We in there.
That boy is nice. Now, Matt's gonna hit Patridge up with a cut. But man, this has been good. It's been fun. I learned a lot. I've got some new services already, man. This was free smoke. That whole demo, that whole cut that I just saw, free smoke all the way. Gonna be bringing a couple things that I learned all the way back home. I'm ready to try them right now, but I don't have any hair to cut.
I'm like, if you don't clean it up, I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna throw it on the damn floor. Can't stand it, boy. All right.
Savage. It is to continue to get education, but the only place education happens is not just at the trade show. It's not just at Bronner Brothers and at the little, you know, the Major League Barber events and stuff. It's in the barber shops where the professionals work. Matter of fact, this is the best place. This is their day off. They told us to come through, learn how to cut some hair, so that's what we're doing. He hadn't even started yet in the shop, and this is what we're doing. Because we're willing to do what it takes. We'll travel, we'll spend our time, we'll spend our money. It doesn't matter. If you want to be successful in this industry and you're passionate about it, you'll do stuff. You'll drive 5.5 hours to go to places like Macon, Georgia to learn how to do a crop top the right way. I'm excited. About to go. what I'm learning from this experience is that as I'm learning how to do this crop top, right, he's explaining stuff to me like blending techniques, fading techniques, stuff that, to be honest, like, it makes you feel not so good. You know what I'm saying? When you're on a live feed and you've got people explaining to you techniques that maybe you feel like you should already have. But I think that's a lot of the value of education, right? I think that's a problem with a lot of barbers. There are barbers that are good, but they won't come in and make themselves humble enough to be taught something. They want to learn everything that they can learn on a YouTube video. But a YouTube video can never replace the fact that I come in here, made a mistake, and he says, oh, I see what you're doing. You're reaching around the fade, which is causing this mistake. Or you're using the left teeth instead of the right teeth, which is causing this mistake, right? So I know that as difficult as this is right now for me to, because this is a difficult process. Like, understand that. It's not easy. Thank God that I've got good people in my life who want to encourage me and see me do well and teach me how to do the right thing so that way I can learn and I don't have to stay in this spot. But I have to go through this so that way I can get like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, I definitely want to be doing these cuts. I want to have all of this stuff mastered. But the fact is, I've not been cutting for 2 years. You know what I'm saying? I've been licensed for a little bit over a year. And everything happened kind of real fast, you know? So I'm glad to be able to be here and to be able to learn this like this. But I needed him to pick up the recording because I needed to tell my people, because I know that the people that follow me are people who are looking for somebody that they can identify with, somebody who doesn't know how to fade. Because we started this channel before I even had a set of clippers. And you guys are looking for your tribe, right? I'm the tribe of the student. Like, if I could ever teach a class on anything, it's how to be a student. He's teaching a class on how to do this crop top. I'm teaching a class on how to be a student. This don't feel good. It don't feel good to say, man, I think that looks okay. What do you think? And then for him to come behind me and say, man, what do you think about this? You kind of need to work on this, blend this out. This is what you've done wrong. But this is the process. All these barbers that are amazing didn't get amazing because they, you know what I'm saying? They didn't just, I mean, there are some prodigies and some miracles.
Most of us had to do what you're doing right here, bro.
It doesn't
99% of us had to go through this right here.
This is the process from the classroom to the platform. This is the type of stuff that you have to do. But the people that are on the platform don't want you to know that they had to do these things because they don't want you to do them, because they don't want you to be on that stage with them. And furthermore, they don't want you to bump them off. Growth doesn't necessarily happen without pain for me. Not often it doesn't.
Never for me.
A lot of times it's difficult. It either hurts right here, or it hurts right here, or it hurts right here. But it doesn't last. It just doesn't last. Sorry, so I'm gonna go back to doing my class now. I just wanted to stop because I was feeling that, and I thought that I wanted to share that with you guys so that you would know what we have to go through to get better. So, ready to get back at it.
Cool.
Good morning. It's 8:30 a.m. We've been up for a little bit, about an hour, waiting on Steven to get his kids dropped off. We're gonna go have breakfast, working on the vlog as we speak. And Matt, dude, all he does is sit on his bed. Bro, why do you just sit on this bed and drink coffee? What are you doing?
What could I possibly be doing?
Oh, he's watching haircut videos. We're out here 5.5 hours, right? So we can learn, so we can take some classes, so we can just immerse ourselves in this barber culture. But Matt has a wife and a kid. I have a wife and 3 kids, a barbershop, responsibilities. So when we're spending this time away from our families, every minute counts. Like, we can't afford to waste it. So every minute, editing the vlog. This is the current vlog that we're working on. This is like an inception of vlogs, because this vlog is this vlog. And eventually I'm going to take this video and put it in here. And you got to just grind it out, like, all the time. So while we're waiting to go get breakfast, we're working. So just wanted to introduce you guys to the day and the new outfits. And check out Believer Barber. You know what time it is. All my Believer Barbers out there. Yeah, so let's get it again.
But the rest are gonna want the basics, bro. That's why the barbershops in here average, 300 heads a week, and the great clips are averaging 700, 800 a week. It's not because they're better, bro. It's just because the people don't. We're making our own calendar coming out this year.
Just kidding. No, it's not. But for real, though, we like.
So we had to come to a little private area to get away from the shop so we could do the interview with Steven. He's getting ready to take a call, continuing to edit the vlog, trying to do this stuff as I go because it's really time consuming. And anyways, y'all know how it is. But that's where we're at now. He's going to go on a conference call. I'm going to be doing some editing, and then we're going to finish the interview. My camera cut off, and I thought that I lost like so much footage, but it didn't. Thank God the shutter stopped right when the camera was done, or when it was out of room on the memory card. So I didn't miss anything. We're going to pick up back where we left off. Learned a lot, and it was a whole lot of work, and I love the work that I do. It's awesome. Get to see some awesome people, got to learn some awesome things, but this is just the beginning. March 6th and 7th, it's Tampa, Florida. It's Steven again. It's some boss him. Hope 5 click. I'm excited about that. Definitely a lot of good things shaping for 2018. I'm tired. I'm gonna finish this edit. Spend some time with my wife. I'm going to sleep. I'm gonna be at my shop at 7:30 a.m. Don't forget, it's Matt's first day tomorrow. Dude's schedule's almost full. I'm excited about that.